After finishing this activity, you'll be able to use Flash Fill in an Excel worksheet. Flash Fill. Like many modern software programs, Excel is designed to recognize certain patterns. For example, perhaps you are creating a table that lists the last and first names of attendees at a company training session. After all the names have been entered into two separate columns, you realize you would like a single column to correctly display the full name. An easy way to achieve this without having to manually retype the entire list is by using Flash Fill. Flash Fill. Here I have a table of first names and family names of attendees to a certain workshop. My table is very small, but in some other cases, you may have more rows and more columns in your table. So you need a fast way in order to combine these two names without the headache of having to retype them manually. Flash Fill can help you do that in a very easy manner. First, you have to create a new column for the combined information you wish to display. Here in my case, in column C, I will type in full name. Next, in the first cell, type the name manually as you wish it to be displayed. Here, the full name will be, as it is written, Ahmed Khalid. Next, in the second cell of your table, begin typing the next piece of data in this cell. The next piece of data starts with Salma. Notice how Excel automatically generated the full combination of names into the rest rows of my column. All I have to do is a simple click and my data is full. Flash Fill should automatically be turned on in Excel, but if it's not, you can turn it on by going to File, Options, and choose the Advanced menu. In the Advanced menu, check Automatically Flash Fill in order to turn Flash Fill on.